to my channel. This is Afia and you are watching my channel. So I'm doing a video on the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So this foundation was actually in collaboration with Alissa Ashley and it has 45 shades. First and foremost, all I want to say is kudos to you, Alissa Ashley, for coming out with a collaboration that you know that people need. You know, we're excited, we're inside of going into drugstore and not being able to find our shade, not being able to, you know, it's just too much. It keeps happening and it shouldn't be happening because it's 2018. So somebody want to fight and I will fight you. But I'm so happy that, you know, Alissa was like, girl, you don't need to fight nobody. You don't need to do that. You just need to pause. I've got you. So it's okay. She came out with this foundation and I thought, let me just pick it up. So I picked mine up in the NYX concession store. I went to Boots because I have a Boots card and I wanted to get points, but they were like, oh, we don't have it in. So I just went to the NYX store and I bought it. I tried 18, 19, 20 and this is Mocha. And out of the three that I tried, that was the best. I have placed it on my chest. I have placed it on my chest right here whilst I was doing my makeup, and you can see that it has darkened up a bit. This is it there. It has darkened a bit, but it's not too dark. It still obviously is good enough for me. Yeah, this is what it looks like on my hands. Yeah, so I have it on and you guys will see how it worked. I really do like it. I don't want to talk too much because I talk about it a lot in the video. So if you guys want to see how this shade works on me, if you want to know for your own shade, here you go. And if you have any other foundation you guys want me to try out, please let me know and I'll pick it up because I love foundations and, you know, want to have a new foundation here and there, whatever. I do also try this foundation throughout the day just to make sure that, just to see how long it stays matte for. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha. I'm so excited because I've been keeping this like unopened, untouched, just so I can do this video. So I'm really excited to try it on. So I just opened it now. I've just broken the seal. So I'm gonna start with this on this side. I haven't actually like primed, and the primer that I will be using today is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is because I have watched a few videos about it and they were saying that it was really matte, so like the face just felt really matte. So they were so they said and they recommended to use a moisturizing foundation, which is what they recommended, to use a moisturizing primer, which is what the MAC Prep and Prime is. So I'm going to use that. So I am not color correcting, I am not doing any of that. You can already see like I do have some dark marks around here. But you know, let's put this to the test. If I'm looking here, I've got a little mirror so I can see myself, so that's why. 2 drops and we're gonna pop it on. Also, I'm just gonna put the Mocha on my chest. Jackie does this and you can see it kind of looks like it's actually like perfect. So what I had done when I went to the shop is I had tried 18, which one is this one? Yeah, so what I had done when I went to the shop, I tried 18, 19 and 20. So Mocha being 19, so I tried one before and one after, and this one was the best shade for me personally. I'm sure there could have been others, but for me at that point this was the best. So I'm just gonna apply it everywhere. So this is the side that I have just finished and this is the side that I have not touched up on. this looks like it's a really good fit for me. I'm just gonna put some on my neck. You guys know my chest is lighter than my neck, as I always say. Amazing coverage. Oh my gosh, like wow, I feel like this is really nice. I really like it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna finish my makeup and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Wow, I really like how it looks. I'm just gonna let it set and I'm just gonna come back and show you how it is when it's set, and I'm gonna read to you what it's supposed to do, and I'm actually planning on wearing this for like at least 6 hours. It's currently 3:28, so I'm planning on wearing it for at least 6 hours because this is a 24-hour wear, and I'm excited to see how it goes. So it has dried now. This is what it looks like when it's dried. I really don't think it's off. Like, I feel like it suited me to a T from what I'm seeing in the mirror and from what I'm seeing there, and from what I'm seeing in this mirror too. Like, I feel like I'm looking at myself from 3 different places and I feel like it looks good. Okay, so I'm just reading what it says on Google about it, on the NYX website. So it is lightweight. It is lightweight because I can't feel it. Waterproof and pigmented AF. I do think it's quite pigmented, but I use like 5 drops and I feel like that's a lot. I don't really use that much drops of foundation. Comes in 45 fluttery shades. Control, shine and mattify your complexion all day long. It is suitable for normal, oily combination and sensitive type of skin. As you can see it now, it still looks really good. Like, I've not even powdered my face, and this is what my face looks like after I've powdered it, so I really like it. It has been 4:55 and I have had this on for over an hour. I just finished my makeup. I was literally doing everything else. I was eating, like everything else. So I just finished doing my makeup and I've taken out my stuff. This is my frontal, and I will put the link and who did it for me and all the details down below. So yeah, so it has been an hour. My face is looking matte. I just finished my makeup. I had to douse myself with the matte charged water just because it was, you know, just because the face was really matte, and it's a good problem to have if you've got oily skin. This is a really good problem if you have oily skin. So I'm gonna check back in and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm doing and stuff like that. Hi guys, so I am back. It's 8:21, so I have been wearing this for 5 hours and I just wanted to come and show you. Please please forgive my appearance, my hair. I just put it up and I didn't even do it properly. I'm trying to, you know how to sort out frontals. I'm not, I'm just trying. Talking about the foundation, I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer. Okay, so you guys can see the foundation. I am still matte. Like, obviously I can see that I'm oily around here, but this is where I put my highlighter around my forehead, around my nose, but like, mate, this is lit. Like, I feel like I look really cute. Okay, so this is what I got from there, and I'm sure it's like my powder, but the foundation itself, it looks amazing. Like, this is what it's looking like. I'm just looking at myself here and honestly, like, this is this is what it looked like when I finished my makeup like at 3. So I mean, damn, I'm mad. So in conclusion, I just want to say that I think this foundation is amazing. The color, I feel like when I was looking at it in normal light, I feel like it kind of maybe looks a bit off, but from what I'm seeing, it looks okay. So I don't know, like I'm gonna start wearing it to uni, because if I'm wearing foundation, that's probably what I'm gonna be wearing, because if it can last me 5 hours and still look like this, then that's what I should be wearing on a regular, you know what I mean? Make sure you like this video, because girl, I've had this foundation on all day because of you, okay? Make sure you comment, let me know what you think about the foundation. Do you have it? Are you gonna buy it? What are your thoughts? And subscribe, you know, and you gotta hit the bell too. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.